Hi everyone, we are at the top of the hour, so we're going to get started on our first molecular imaging workshop. And I'd like to welcome you all and say I'm so happy to see everyone online here. We have an exciting agenda and we have participants and speakers from all across the globe.
Photoacoustic imaging is really a hybrid optical ultrasound imaging modality where we're using pulsed laser light into the tissue. Anything that absorbs that light heats up a little bit, gives a thermoelastic expansion, and we can then receive those pressure waves, those generated pressure waves, to make an image.
So without further ado, I'd like to introduce our first speaker, Dr. Veronique Josserand, who is leading the in vivo optical imaging platform of the Institute of Advanced Bioscience, or IAB, in Grenoble, France.
Interestingly, the scanning of multiple wavelengths provides the specific spectra of the absorbing compounds. All this provides a molecular pattern within an echographic anatomical image.
Is that B-mode image that gives you all that anatomical details. And on the right-hand side, we have our photoacoustic image. You'll notice the image on the right is flashing a little bit, and that's because we're querying at different wavelengths to be able to capture data from angiostat as well as blood.
So our next talk is from Dr. Peter Kessa, who has worked at the Center of Advanced Preclinical Imaging, First Faculty of Medicine at Charles University in Prague, Czech Republic, since 2018.
This first patient-derived xenografts tends to create necrosis areas inside the tumor core.
Many people using ultrasound and photoacoustics. That's sort of a smattering of other modalities. A couple using no imaging, and I'm hoping that those people can see some of the advantages of being able to do this kind of imaging, especially in vivo imaging, where, while the biology is occurring, so to speak.
So without further ado, Dr. Jesse Jokerst is an associate professor in the Department of Nanoengineering at UC San Diego.
But when the silver is oxidized back off, we recover the original absorption spectra. So for imaging at 700 nanometers, we have an on, off, on sort of photoacoustic event. And that's what we're showing here. These are just capillary tubes that we've filled with these different contrast media and contrast media stages.
I'm pleased that you've joined us to explore the exciting subject of multimodal molecular imaging. And we seek to empower you through bold innovations and bringing new tools to your lab.